What's up, guys? I started this journey on YouTube, so if it's not gonna work for me, I will gonna be normal person. I gonna quit this, but if I gonna see it's working, now I have 6 subscribers, so you really help me out. If it's this gonna work always, all the time, my stream is gonna get better. I will gonna don't stop to do that, cause you all helping me. Press the like, subscribe. If it's not gonna work, I already see it. I gonna be normal kid. Not be like fucking streamer or upload videos. So if it's not work for me, if I don't know, chat, what to say. If it's not gonna work for me, it's all good. I will be normal. If it's work, I will chat. I will not gonna stop forever. Like if some people like my content, so I will gonna do more.